Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect or remove PayPal from Freshbooks. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you don't want to use PayPal with Freshbooks anymore, and maybe you want to use Stripe. So this video is going to be short and sweet and simple, so make sure to follow it step by step in order to learn how to disconnect, remove PayPal from Freshbooks. So what we're going to do first is log onto our Freshbooks account, which looks like this right here. And this is assuming that you've already connected your PayPal account with your Freshbooks account. So on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Payments. And then from here, you're going to click on More Actions on the upper right-hand side. Then you're going to click on Accept Online Payments. Now go ahead and scroll down to where it says PayPal. And so from this tab, you're going to click on this Disable button that you see over here. And so once we click on that Disable button, you're going to see that your PayPal account has been disconnected. So we're actually going to go ahead and verify it by actually clicking on Payments again. And then we're going to click on More Actions and click on Accept Payments. So you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says PayPal, and then under PayPal, you're going to see this Disable button. So go ahead and click on this Disable button, and then for some reason, another window pops up, but go ahead and go on to the previous window, and then you're going to get a confirmation that asks, are you sure you want to disconnect your PayPal account? Then go ahead and click on OK. So once you've actually disconnected your PayPal account, your PayPal window under this page is going to look like this right here where it says connect with PayPal. That's basically the verification or confirmation that you've successfully disconnected your PayPal from your Freshbooks account. I wish there was actually a confirmation page or like a confirmation pop-up that lets you know that you've disconnected your PayPal account, but that's the best way that I know as far as knowing that you've actually disconnected your PayPal account from Freshbooks. But if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks very much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.